it going? Did you push the button? Okay. Okay, guys, this is what you want to do if you're having problems with lag or it's just being too slow. This is for your PlayStation, obviously, but as you can see, I'm lonely. I have 4 friends, but 3, my bad. But first thing you want to do is you want to delete your message box. Push triangle, push receive, delete it. It might take longer depending how much you've sent or how much you have received. And you want to delete the people you don't really play with. And so, like I'd say within 2 months. But when you're done with all of it, when you're done with all your friends and the messages, you want to go to System Settings in the Settings category, and you want to go down to Delete Productive Text Dictionary. Delete that. Yes. And when you do that, you damn, I forgot. Oh yeah. You go to your internet search, you can just Google anything, it doesn't matter, and it's probably too white for you guys to see, but when whatever you Googled pops up, just push triangle, go up twice, go to tools, go to cookies, block that, go to JavaScript, go to JavaScript, block that, go to delete cookies, delete those, go back up here, delete your search history, I do that a lot, and you just want to back out of that, alright? So when you're done with deleting everything on this that you don't need, just point it to the freaking PlayStation. But when you're done with all of that, just turn your PlayStation off. When it's turned off, unplug the power cord, hold the disc button, keep holding it, don't let go of it, plug it back in to the system, it'll turn on, keep holding it, and when it makes this sound, then that's when you know that you've done it right. And when it's done, you want to just, hold on, I'll just show you whenever it's there. Alright, when it's done, you're going to see a blinking red dot. As you can see, it's not going to turn back on, even if you hold it or anything. So what you want to do is you want to unplug the power cord, okay? It's completely off now. You want to plug it back in. It's not blinking anymore. But before you turn it on, you want to go get a vacuum of some sort. And vacuum the back part of this. Just the back of the PlayStation. Unplug everything from it, everything that's hooked up in the back, and just start vacuuming it. When you're done with that, hook everything back up, turn it back on, and everything will be, or everything should be, faster. Alright guys, thanks for watching.